The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ Black Edition, a name that instantly commands attention. Today, on AB Auto Reviews, we take a deep dive into this stunning new model that blends heritage, technology, and luxury into a single powerful machine. From the first glance, the FJ's black paint speaks of authority. Its deep gloss finish reflects the ambient light of a high-end showroom, amplifying every sculpted line and surface. The new FJ embodies Toyota's legacy of adventure but refines it with a level of sophistication that feels truly next generation. The front end is the first thing that hits you. A massive grille dominates the face, inspired by the original FJ's rugged spirit but updated with a modern edge. Sharp LED headlamps with a distinctive DRL signature carved through the darkness, giving the SUV an unmistakable presence. In this black color edition, the contrast between the bright lights and the dark paint creates a bold, futuristic look. The bumper design is chunkier, muscular, and perfectly balanced between off-road toughness and urban elegance. Move along the side and the story of design evolution continues. The 2026 model adopts a cleaner, more aerodynamic silhouette, with precise body lines that flow like a continuous motion of power. Chrome accents add a touch of class while emphasizing the SUV's sheer size and authority. The large multi-spoke chrome-finished alloy wheels sparkle under the golden showroom lights, their reflections dancing across the black paint. The low, confident stance gives the FJ an almost sporty personality, proving that ruggedness and refinement can coexist beautifully. From the rear, the Land Cruiser FJ exudes a wide, grounded look. The LED taillights stretch horizontally, emphasizing width and presence. Their deep red glow cuts through the black finish with elegance, creating a striking contrast at night. The tailgate is sculpted for practicality and style, featuring chrome trim and subtle FJ badging that reminds you of its legendary roots. Every line, every contour, feels intentional. This is a vehicle that looks powerful even when it's standing still. Step inside, and the 2026 FJ welcomes you into a cabin that's both modern and timeless. The interior is wrapped in premium black leather with contrast stitching that adds texture and craftsmanship. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, dominated by a large high-resolution touchscreen that handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle data. The digital instrument cluster delivers clear, customizable information, blending cutting-edge tech with Toyota's renowned reliability. Soft ambient lighting traces the contours of the cabin, giving it a luxurious golden glow that matches the exterior's refined theme. The seats are a masterpiece of comfort and ergonomics. Designed for long drives, they provide excellent support and cushioning while maintaining a sporty look. The rear seats offer generous legroom, and the overall space management feels efficient and open. Whether you're heading out for an off-road adventure or cruising through the city at night, the cabin feels calm, quiet, and premium. Every detail, from the stitching to the switchgear, reflects Toyota's dedication to quality. Under the hood, the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ carries a powertrain designed for both strength and smoothness. It's built to conquer terrains effortlessly while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency for its size. The throttle response is immediate, and the torque delivery feels constant across all conditions. Whether climbing a steep trail or gliding down the highway, the FJ remains composed and confident. The advanced suspension system has been tuned to absorb rough terrain while offering a surprisingly plush ride. This is an SUV that can battle the wilderness on Sunday and glide through a luxury hotel driveway on Monday. Noise insulation has been improved significantly, creating a quiet, comfortable driving experience. Even at higher speeds, the cabin remains serene, the kind of tranquility usually found in high-end luxury SUVs. Off-road, however, the FJ still feels unstoppable. The 4x4 system is enhanced with advanced traction management, hill assist, and adaptive terrain control that automatically adjusts for rocks, sand, or mud. It's not just capable, it's intelligent. Safety has also taken a leap forward. The latest Toyota Safety Sense suite brings in pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and intersection monitoring. Every angle of the vehicle is monitored with radar and cameras, keeping you protected whether you're navigating narrow city streets or mountain trails. Toyota has built a machine that feels both secure and commanding, exactly what an FJ should be. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ black color represents the perfect fusion of heritage and innovation. It respects the legendary DNA of the original FJ while boldly stepping into a new era of design, comfort, and technology. It's rugged yet refined, powerful yet graceful. From its shimmering black body to its advanced interior, every element of this SUV feels intentional and premium. For enthusiasts, this is more than just a new Land Cruiser, it's a statement of identity. It's for those who demand durability without giving up style, and adventure without sacrificing comfort. Toyota has created something that feels iconic from day one. If you're searching for a luxury SUV that can dominate any road, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ black color should be high on your list. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a bridge between the classic and the future. This has been AB Auto Reviews, bringing you another exclusive look at one of the most exciting SUVs of the year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the automotive future is just getting started, and we'll be here to unveil it, one masterpiece at a time.